not. To Juan Ponce Enrile, in the past, you know what I realized after I watched Miss Earth 2025. Um, Recently, November 13, Juan Ponce Enrile is dead. Because I thought I saw the post of Kuya Dan Mardayaw. Fake news pala ang sinasabi na matay si Juan Ponce Enrile. As you can see, why was Juan Ponce Enrile is dead? The Daily Tribune as telling a truth. I know the Daily Tribune had met the Miss Earth 2025 winners, even Natalie Pushkinkova, even my good friend Miss Iceland, Soltis Vara, and my good friend also there is Wari Nangkram, the Miss Earth Fire 2025. She's also from Thailand. They met. The Daily Tribune has making lots of stories and news. They said that Juan Ponce Enrile is dead. That is true. My mom was right. Juan Ponce Enrile is dead. But we can say we send the condolence to the former senator. In the past, when I interviewed with Mami Ellen Olea, before the birthday of Ninong Michael, I interviewed with Mami Ellen Olea. We talk about the EDSA People Power in 1986. She still remember Juan Ponce Enrile. He was still a defense minister under by Marcos Sr. To Cory Aquino, to Fidel B. Ramos, and also to Rodrigo Duterte. We always remember Juan Ponce Enrile. And do you know that Juan Ponce Enrile was convicted of pork barrel scam during the time of Janet Lim Napoles? He was detained together with Jinggoy Estrada, Bong Revilla. They convicted plunder and corruption, and even what about Bongbong Marcos when he was a senator? He did not imprison him. This has really happened when Juan Ponce Enrile died for 101-year-old. You know that Juan Ponce Enrile, he's older than Fidel Castro. He's older than Queen Elizabeth. Or he's older than Kim Jong-il or Joe Biden. What do you think? If you can see Juan Ponce Enrile have passed away, he's a really a good, he was a former senator. He was a senator of the Philippines in 1987. That was the years of Nanay Ningning and Nanay Banji. 1987, even years of Mami Ellen Olea. 1987, Juan Ponce Enrile, June 30, 1987. Beginning to until 1991. In 1995, June 30 until 2016. And you can see that Juan Ponce Enrile, he graduated in Cagayan University as a lawyer. And he lives there in Napari, Cagayan. Cagayan is a place that were you know Cagayan, Apari, Tugigaraw. That was a place of Baham Hernando's dad, Jose Maria Hernando, even Baham. There's Apari, Cagayan. So Apari, Cagayan. Yes. What is it? What is it? Okay. discussion. All right, I'm here. And do you know about Juan Ponce Enrile? Um, he was also from Apari, Cagayan. That was a place of Teacher Freli May Masalabsilos, the new teacher there in CDIFI. Um, she's also from Apari, Cagayan, right? That is a hometown of Juan Ponce Enrile. So we will, as we are Filipinos, we will remember Juan Ponce Enrile. And do you know that Juan Ponce Enrile is the guy who involved the coup d'etat against Cory Aquino? And he's the guy of the who wants to withdraw the support of Ferdinand Marcos Sr. So as you can see, Juan Ponce Enrile, he's already dead. He died in pneumonia as 101 years old. That was the past from Fidel B. Ramos, even the past of Nene Pimentel. He's already dead.